G-Translate, your window to the world. Why was the Tower of Babel never completed? Because the people building it did not have the thing we're going to talk about now. You live in a huge, multicultural and multilingual world. A world without boundaries, thanks to digital technologies. Billions of people communicate every second, get acquainted, make contact, dream of a future together, promote their business, and make history. Living in Australia, you can easily find people in Denmark who are ready to travel across half the planet to protect the koala population of Cape York Peninsula. The world found out about the Michelin-starred Chan Hong Meng, not only because he's been cooking the most delicious chicken noodles in Singapore for 35 years, but also because people have been trumpeting about it online. And how many people in the world knew about the city of Rosario before the moment when Messi scored his first goal at Camp Nou? This huge world is actually small, but there is a but. Koalas don't speak. You don't need to speak Malay to order a portion of noodles, and the word goal is the same in every language.
What a goal that is!
In the beginning, there was only the word, and the word was clear to everyone. Today, there are 400 languages in the world, while 2/3 of the world speaks 40 of them. How many languages do you speak or understand? And how many can you read or write? How about negotiating or finalizing contracts? You'd have to agree that it's easiest for you to do all of this in your native language. But remember that 2/3 of the planet speaks 40 native languages combined. 40! Ladies and gentlemen, we're proud to present G-Translate, a plug that will change your future. G-Translate, instant translation of your website into any language in the world. G-Translate means your business can expand its client base across the world. G-Translate, artificial intelligence plus human resources. G-Translate, discover the whole world and all the opportunities it offers.